Hi everyone, welcome back. So, how you guys been? So I know it's been a long time. Sorry if you can't really hear me. I'm outside right now. I just got out of work. So that being said, I made a few purchases a few weeks. No, actually, I think it was a week ago. And these shipped pretty quickly and they arrived even faster. So this was just a jewelry brand that I had just discovered, and I have been searching for very specific chains, and as far as also material wise, so I prefer sterling silver, platinum. I don't usually do gold, but majority of my jewelry is gold except for the new stuff that I'm getting. So vitaly, I just took off the sleeve from it, so it looks exactly like the Apple Watch, and it has certain, like the box is cut a certain way for presentation. If I can open it. So here we go, and each one is wrapped in jewelry cloth to preserve it. So this first one is Figaro, the Figaro chain. So I'm just gonna unravel. Sorry if my hair's all messy. See if you can see. So I don't have that many silver chains, which is why I'm so excited about these. So okay. So as you can see, just like a simple layering piece. And for the second one, so again, opens. It's also wrapped in another cloth. Also, I should mention in the packaging, it came with two stickers, vitaly, and a ring finger measurer, like to measure your finger. So the second one is even bigger than the first one, much thicker in chain. You don't even need to, like, you can see the difference. Well, this one's open, but yeah, big difference. The clasp is also different than the last one. The other one's the typical, like, lobster claw. So this one's the thicker one. I'm gonna place the other one too. it's gonna be a little hard for you to see, but I'll have the measurements properly like listed below so you can know for a fact, like, but yeah. The Figaro one, I think it's supposed to be longer than the Seville. What was it again? Sorry. Seville. Yeah. But I love them both. I mean, I know that they hide in, but I kind of like that, you know, because you keep it kind of casual. So, just gonna leave that there. But honestly, guys, I love my pieces, honestly. I think I'll even wear both of them together. And I think I'll feel confident about it. I don't think I'm going to think that, you know, it's too overwhelming. So I am definitely going to check them out again and get some more pieces, because clearly they're doing something right. I don't like just anything. I'm very particular. But that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this, have a better idea about this brand. It is kind of, I think, small. I mean, it's kind of big, but not too well known yet. And I think you guys should totally check them out. I am completely excited and stoked and everything that I checked them out. They're well worth the purchase. And I think one of them was like 50 something, and then the other one was like 60 something, so not too bad. But yeah, all right guys, see you later.